Hi everyone, my name is Lynn. Welcome back to my new repair video. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, give us a comment, share this video. Now let's get started. Yay! Repair shop. So today we'll be upgrading this Asus A10-6700. So this is a computer and it's really big. Well, it's been very slow, so we'll have to fix that. Yeah. Now, let's get started. Yeah. So, these are the two memory cards. Or they can tell that right on it. So, I just put it in like that because you put the tips in the little small little lips like it's eating noodles. And then you push it in until the white part comes up. Like that, and that's good. Almost these two are like these. That's good. That means fully tightened. And when you see these little lip, you might want to match it to here so it doesn't like, you don't go like something like that. That will actually slow your time. Let's put it right here. Like that. Give it a small push to make sure. And that's good. So we're going to do the next one. Clear up this part because we'll need these. So I'm going to just clear up the part with wires because I really do hate wires. Because I want to put this in first because it's pretty big. Yeah, that's my only reason. So, but still, you show my one.
The other way. Turn around.
I'm still confused when it comes into this. Make sure that the line over here and the gap over here, there's no gaps or no nothing. And then you're able to just shove it in. That's good. Unless you don't see like any gaps or anything like this, you're good. And then you can add in this, which is, yeah, I think it goes like this. Comment down below if you think I'm wrong. Oh, wait, oh shoot. I said we're not going yet. I think it's this one. So you just have to put the screw in that little hole. Make sure it's the right nail, right screw. You should do it like this so you make sure it's the right one. I really do have like also I don't like this. I'm gonna put it a little tight so it doesn't fall off because you don't want to fall off or your name is just fall off. Yeah, that's good. Okay, next after this, we will need to put in the, where was it? See this wire? You should do it like this. So when you turn, like right here, you can see there's some holes there. It goes in like this. Give it in, and you hear a click. That's me. It's in. So this one is done. And here's kind of the part. Is that this part always faces to the left. Always faces to the left. Never faces to the right, because if you do, let me show you. If it faces to the right, you don't get the holes. It's literally right here. So don't do the right. Rather, I will doubt you finish this in literally 1 minute. So do the left, and you can see the two holes. So you can see. Oh wait, I got it.
There you go.
I got it.
There you go.
Okay, this one I just need to use the big ones. I'm trying to keep in track which one I'm supposed to use. Make the two lines line up. Do the bottom one first because it'll be very useful if you do, and you can make your life 1,000 times better than having to fit your whole hand in there. Okay, that one goes in. So we just keep on doing this. And just making sure, because if I'm sorting out, there's more small ones than a big one. So I'm pretty sure one of the big ones are still in small ones. There. And then we're going to put a SSD disk, which is SanDisk. Yeah. Did I also mention tell you this red part? It's not a. People just 3D printed it, so technically my dad just brought 4 copies of it. It was pretty cheap. Like this or like this? Like that? Okay. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You want to give it a small little wiggle, and here comes the painful part. You have to hold it up while screwing it. So yeah, technically you want to stay with me while coming up to this part. So if you didn't watch the whole video, you really should. So I'm going to show you a way how to do it. I'm just trying to get the holes pretty quick. Okay. So you see these 2 holes? You just have to just push more pressure on the one you're going to put in. Oh, yeah, that is true. Okay, I'm starting to like not like magnets because they're pretty annoying. Okay, pour more pressure, like I'm putting more pressure on this part. So I'm trying not to make it move. Baby, who cares if that one moves? We need to make sure this one doesn't. And you see how I got it in? That's an easier way. So be careful, because when you accidentally drop it and you don't just do like this all the time, it won't work. So technically you'll have difficulties with your computer. So don't even stand a chance, because you have to reopen the whole thing and see what's going on, and it's the smallest SanDisk. Don't blame me, blame the SanDisk. So that's good. You don't have to put it too tight, just as long as it's in, it's good. Well, these ones are the small screwdrivers, so yeah. So you see how fast I did the first one? Yeah, because I put more pressure on it. So it's like it doesn't move, so it's easy for you, because your hands doesn't really move that fast until, but unless you're called supersonic or something. I'm just tightening this. And now, I'm gonna just make sure I did not get scanned from the computer. Yeah, that's good. So now we're going to plug these in. Wait, where's that one? You're going to put this into there. So I'm going to show you where you should put them. So see this little tongue here? You should put where the tongues are, so you don't, because if you don't, it won't work. And I'm pretty sure all of you know that, because we're all not being red. So that I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to make a mistake on that one. But that one does not make a click, so make sure you got it. So like wiggle it to make sure it's tight. If it has a little too much wigglies, then yeah, you gotta tighten it. This one is the same thing, but you should hear a click when you do this. Well, this one pretty much not, because I think of that. I'm pretty sure it's in because you can wait. There. But you definitely should hear a click on this one. Yep, I click. And we're very close being done. It's just you have to flip it over. And when you're doing this, maybe ask a parent to do it because you're stronger and you don't know what might happen, because you know us kids. I'm still a kid. Everyone else is a kid. So I'm just going to lay this down. Maybe how many times do you have to redo it? Did I just break up again? Oh my gosh, that has to break up a lot of times before we can just get bored. Yeah. So this one is different. You only need 3 for this one, so you might want to pull it up a little bit so you can see it. Okay. So there's so much wires. What am I supposed to do with these wires?
I'm sure every computer builder in the world knows your frustration.
Does it finally go in? Yay. Because I'm not redoing this. Don't blame me. Blame the stupid screw. Screw you, screw. That's good. And now I just need to put in this one. How did I not get that? Okay, so this one is start at any, so you're free to go by this one. Yeah, I got it stuck there. The back. But this one is not complete.
Okay, loosen this one. Just loosen it just a little bit.
Okay, there.
Okay.
Yeah, there I got it.
Now screw in this side. Go ahead. So now you know you always screw in the one with the one hole before you screw in the one with the big hole. There you go. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Did you tighten both of them?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay.
I'm going to make sure to get this nice and tight. So now we're done. This is also pretty heavy, so make sure you don't drop anything. Because if you drop something, don't blame me. Blame yourself.
On the front cover. Go ahead.
We're going to put on our front cover. Oopsies.
Okay.
And turn it. Beep, 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 beep. So this one goes, yeah, this is the cover for a long, it goes into, which one does it go to, Baba?
Right there. Just push it all the way inside. It should go snip. Oh, turn the other way. Turn it upside down. Yeah.
There. So now we got that in. Push it in a little bit because you don't want, if you leave it out, let's say you just close it like that, you won't get it. So might as well push them in. But there's some going to be out, but that's okay. So we're going to have to put in some of these clips. Put in some of these clips here, like a door. It gets a little hard when you get to the clips part because you have to make sure you got every single one. You got every single one. I might have said that twice. You gotta make sure there's no gap. Push it in if there is some gap. I'm pretty bad when it comes up to these doors. I'm so bad doors. Okay.
Just hit it on this side. Okay?
Okay, so it's a little tricky, so I just make sure everything's in my knee there. Yeah, that's good. This glove is so annoying.
Yes.
Let me just see how to put this on again. Oh yeah, it's like this. Anyway, like this, I just need to turn it. So make sure you get the stuff this in. And then just make sure you also might get a little stuck here, so because you need to open this. That's good. So now we just need to put on the cover. So this side needs to have the holes to breathe because you don't want it to overheat or that would be bad. Not to mention you probably might have a fire. Yeah, you don't want to pay for it that much, so I'd rather you not to do it. So, okay. It's very important that you know what you're doing because, yeah. That's good. And now you grab a thumb screw, screw over here. Let's make sure it's getting. Oh, is this getting tight or something? Or like it cannot come out. Yeah, that's good. That's good. How come these are not fitting? There, that's good. And now flip it over. Do the same thing. So let me see what's like this. So you see how like those holes have to connect? This and this has to connect.
Okay, push it out just a little. Now push it in. There you go.
Okay, and then you put the thumb screw over here. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong one. I just have to put it. And there. Now I'm done. That is how you can fix your computer. And it looks very neat too. Yay. And this is the whole side. And now you can see it. And yeah. And that is how to fix the Asus computer. See you next video. Bye bye.
Very good, Lila. You did a good job.